Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, it's Soren the Copy Viking here with a little preview video of our new Steamy Co-Author that goes live on Friday, July 3rd at 10 a.m. Eastern. Well, you're already on this document if you found this video, likely, but it has all the information on it. If you need anything, contact me on Facebook or our JV manager, Matt Garrett. This launches on Warrior Plus. There's a link here to get your affiliate link. There's the JV page. The affiliate tools are up and ready. You can click there to get swipe emails and more. And of course, we have an affiliate contest with $1,000 in cash prizes. Click this link for more information on that. Review copies are up, have been up for quite some time. Most of you who promoted Cozy Co-Author last time already had an account at our the Copy Viking membership site, and we simply enabled Steamy Co-Author for you in there. So if you log in, you should see it. If you don't have access, or you're new, or you need access, please contact Matt Garrett on Facebook, and he will help you get review access ongoing. The funnel is here is $17 front end pricing. You get 75% commission on the front end, 50% on everything else in the funnel, including the recurring. So it's up to $283 per sale. We're actually looking at adding one more offer in there. I'm not entirely sure if it'll be ready for launch, but if it will, this number will go higher. So the first offer is the front end. Obviously, they get the dark romance framework and all the training. There's a bump for $27 to get ghostwriting license. The first OGO is the genre roll, 6 additional steamy romance genres. This one is very popular and sells like hotcakes. You got the promo stacker, which is how to promote your book. The editor, also a very popular one, just saves you time with editing and formatting. KDP Club is our monthly recurring. And then we have the $100 million copy AI as well in there. And as I said, there might be an extra offer. You can go here and see the sales copy. There's a note here if design is not done yet and so forth, but you can see all the copy here. Grab what you need. In terms of the members area, it's all inside the Copy Viking, and we have Steamy Co-Author here. So this is the front end. They download their framework, and here they open their training. 27 modules that takes them through everything they need to know about dark romance, about our system, and how to use our framework to write it. Super good training, lots of interactive screenshots, tutorial videos, and text. And we use the right format when when something really needs to be explained in detail. We generally have writing. If it's easy just to see it quickly, screenshot. If you need a little bit more in-depth, tutorial videos. And every single module is also available in audio, so you can listen to all the writing as well. So that one is new, and I think people are gonna love that. New things in Steamy is that this now works with both Claude and ChatGPT, so you can choose one or the other, or actually use both on the same project. And we're very excited about that. The way it works, if you have not seen it yet, let me just open up. Let's do it in Claude and find a project. There. So all you do is you drop in. We got a style pack and a framework. These files you get. Then we have a setup prompt that you drop in. Let me find something where I actually did something. This one here. And we can go to, that's the wrong one. That is the right one. Sorry about that. All right, so if you're unfamiliar with the system, this is what you do. So you drop in those two files, you have the framework and the style pack, and then you drop in the setup prompt, and then the AI, either Claude or ChatGPT, takes you through a guided process where you plan your book step by step, gives you options and recommendations, you answer, you have a conversation, you end up with these documents here: story state, character profiles, chapter outline, story bible, and world bible. And these are really, really, really good documents. Very detailed, good enough that a professional author or an amateur for that matter can take these and just write a book from them. And that is one of the ways people use this, but most people use it to write the book for them, which is entirely possible. So let me find actually proof that it works on ChatGPT. Let's go and have a look at a book in here. So here we go. Here we're writing in ChatGPT, and it is writing a chapter. This is the planning for a chapter. And if we go back to the project, we can see here that here it has written a chapter and updated the story state, and it works, as I said, both on Claude and ChatGPT. So that's the front end. It teaches them everything about the genre, how to use our system, how to write books, how to edit, how to format, how to publish it, and how to sell their books. Hugely popular in the last one with Cozy Co-Author, and this one is it's now better and bigger, and just overall a massive upgrade. We learned a lot from having 1,000+ people run through this and have great success writing books and publishing books. But all the stuff we collected and seen also from our own publishing has just turned into a new version of the frameworks and the system and the training that is just overall better. I think people are going to love this. They're going to make some fantastic books with it. And dark romance itself is obviously one of the biggest and the fastest growing genres in publishing. And it's a genre where the readers are just voracious. They consume more books in dark romance than any other genre. So this should be really, really good. And obviously we have the genre vault and the editor and all the other products in here. So really excited about this one. I just want to show you the sales that are here. You can see that from the affiliate doc as well. It is pretty good. It's very, very similar to Cozy Co-Author because when something works, you build on what works and try to make it even better. But just like Cozy Co-Author, it comes with all the proof. And just to show you, this is inside my own KDP account. I have 6 books in here. 3 of them were proof of concept for Cozy, and 3 of them are proof of concept for this new one. And you see this is published this month. It's much newer and it's catching up quick because it's a big market. And we show the proof, we show the good, and we show the bad on the sales page, and you'll see that. And that honesty people love. But just to show you, this stuff works. This is when I published the first book using the co-author system, and this is where we are now. So over $1,000 in royalties from these books written with the co-author system alone. So that's what you're promoting. I hope to see you on the leaderboards come Friday and next week. Again, if you need anything, reach out to me or Matt on Facebook, and check out the affiliate doc here. Everything you need is pretty much here, and if not, we'll get it for you.